Hey everyone, this is Jordan here, about to get to play Wheel of Fortune Plug and Play. Hey, Game Show Edition. Now, before we start, I want to first address something about what I went through last week, because last week, if I told you that I was going to a convention for the first time this year. So I did, and I went to MegaCon. It was a great experience for me. I got to view some of the things that they had for sales for the fans. I, however, didn't have much of my money to purchase, since I was more interested in meeting some of the stars that I was going to meet for the convention. And I did met two of the stars that I've told you about during my last video, and it was a great experience. I took pictures with them. I'm sure that I showed you the post through my art posts and the YouTube posts that I've shown, and it was a great experience for me. It was fun to get that I got to meet both Catherine Tavern and Nika Fireman on the convention, and also I met a few others. I've also met Jason Marson and Veronica Taylor at the MegaCon convention that Friday. Even though I didn't have much to purchase, the only thing I got as a little souvenir is just this of my lanyard that I got for Friday. Oh, might as well keep it with my collection. And I do hope to go to another convention later on this year, and if I do, I'll share you on my upcoming videos for this year. But for now, that's pretty much all I can say about my convention day I had on Friday. It was fun. But now, without further ado, let's show up some fun as I play Wheel of Fortune. I know it wasn't much to share, but I did it so quickly. Short discussion aside, time to play. Oh, and I should also turn off my lights. I could I can get in the mood for some roasted marshmallows right about now. But I don't have, I don't have any roasted marshmallows with me besides one of these delicious peeps. But it is Easter. Easter's on the way, so might as well enjoy some peeps later on. But that aside, that is an odd puzzle that I'm looking at. I have never seen a puzzle like that before. For around the house. Oh good, a free spin. Which I will not grab. Oh, I should press D. I should have gone D. puzzle is this? I've never seen something like this before. Oh. Okay, so I'm gonna get a prize off this. And I want to say B for some reason. I really do. Oh. Oh wait. Oh no. Oh, please let there be a B. Okay, good. Oh, it's boat. Oh, no. Oh man, I messed up. Okay. What? I have never heard that before. Uh. Oh! Gravy boat. And I have never heard that word before. Ladle. Ladle. That is a word I do not heard of. Oh my goodness. Alright, mystery round. Landmark. This is a landmark. Huh. Oh my goodness. Yay, but I'm not gonna land it on it. But wait, am I this time? No, I'm not. Wow, that's it? Oh good, another free spin. Okay, so now I got 2 free spins. That's good, so now I technically have 6 turns on this. Okay, so it's Iceland. Oh, man. I'm gonna hold on to my free spin. Okay, so I got another free spin. I got 3 free spins. Oh. Normally, oh, it's Ireland. Not Iceland. still have no clue. Why have I not heard this puzzle before, this castle before? Is it B? Okay, I'm gonna solve. It's no wonder why this is hard mode for a reason. I have never heard this puzzle before, but Blarney's Castle in Ireland. But nonetheless, we got right. Alright. Title for our bonus puzzle. This better be good, hopefully. But the dollar symbol. Okay. Oh! Oh! It took me a moment. I think I know what the puzzle is already. Oh man, this was a good film. I hope you guys know what this is too, because I already know what the title of this puzzle is. I'm gonna give you guys a moment to figure out what it is, because I already figured out what it is. Alright. Finding Nemo! Alright, that does it. That concludes this video. This was a great one. And a good announcement to share about my trip. Alright, where am I? Up there I am, in the heart section. And that concludes it, and I hope that everyone has a great week. And until then, I'll share you guys a new post tomorrow. A new art drawing I got in store. Until then, bye now. Good night.